Hi, this is Create TV again. I'm going to show you another Photoshop tutorial, but today this is going to be a little bit different. It's not going to be a text effect. We're going to use the styles and we're going to use the custom shapes in the tool panel. But we are going to use styles, and then we're going to take it a bit farther, and we're going to use a blending mode to change the color. So I'm actually going to show you. We're going to take it from the top. All right, I'm going to create a new document, and although I don't need this document to be nearly this large, I'll go ahead and create it 800 pixels by 800 pixels. The resolution is 72 by 72. Here we have that square. Well, actually, this might be kind of good because I can take this and show you something even neater with it. But we'll take it one step at a time. All right, again, the custom shapes are in the tool panel. This is the tool panel. It's usually docked over here on the side. If your tool panel is not showing, you go to Window, you go to the drop-down menu, and you select Tools. Obviously, mine's already out. And depending upon these little arrows, the tool panel can either be one long line, and if it's that way, this is the Shapes tool at the bottom. Normally, the rectangle is on top. But if you double click, it appears as a double row, and this is the Shapes tool with the rectangle on top. You click the little tiny arrow in the lower right corner, and you'll see a network of shapes that are hidden beneath that top rectangle. There's the rectangle, the rounded rectangle, the ellipse tool, the polygon tool, the line tool, and the custom shape tool. I have selected the custom shape tool, and it appears to be a blob. It's sort of a blob shape. After you select the custom shape tool on the toolbar, this is a two-step process actually. You have to go to the options bar, which is the second bar from the top. And that is where you select the actual custom shape that you want. This bar, you'll see the word shape. There's a drop-down menu, and these, I'm actually going to I'm going to reset the shapes to the default shape. So these are the default shapes right here. All right, now, on the second row, it's about the 6th or 7th shape, is a flower. If you click on that, and I'm going to right click it, if you right click it and click on rename, you'll see that the name of that flower is flower 5. All right, I'm going to use flower 5, and I selected it on the options bar. Also on the options bar, I'm going to select the color fill, and I'm going to create this in a very the color is pure magenta. It's a hot pink. It's on the next to the last row. It's the third pink one. All right, so I've selected the custom shape tool on the toolbar. I've chosen my custom shape on the options bar, the flower, and I've set the color. I'm not going to use a stroke. Now I'm just going to make a nice big flower there. This is a very big flower, in fact. All right, hold on. Let me see. What I'm going to do is I'm trying to decide how fancy I'm going to do this. All right, there is my flower right there. All right, now then, that at this point I can go ahead and apply a style to it. I can go to Window. All right, I'm going to actually, after I've changed the size, click on the arrow on the toolbar, has a little Celtic cross beside it, and you're going to have to apply it before you can make any other changes. All right, now it's been applied. I could immediately go to Window, go to the drop down menu and select Styles, and I could choose any number of styles. I could make the blanket effect, I could make it a chiseled sky, or this overspray, the same black and white overspray that we used to create this text effect right here. But in this particular case, we're creating it on a pink flower, so the overspray appears to be pink on white or white on pink. It is actually what it is. Now I'm going to show you